iris folding technique. It's simple. Here's how. First, you need a pattern. I found this pumpkin pattern from Craft with Sarah. Make 2 copies. I reduced the original to 78%. Cut a stencil out of one of the copies. Lay it on your card front, trace with a pencil, and cut out. Be sure to emboss or stamp the card front before starting the iris folding. Lay the card front face down on the pumpkin pattern. Add a piece of washi tape to create a hinge so you can check your progress. With iris folding, you work from the back. Cut the strips of paper you are using for your design. I cut 1/2 inch by 12 inch strips out of 4 designs of Harvest Meadow paper. Lay the strips in the order of placement for the pumpkin pattern. Remember, the side you want showing will be placed face down. Add adhesive to the back. Following the pattern, begin laying the strips of paper, design face down, along the edge of the numbered sections, beginning with number 1, then 2, 3, 4, etc. until the pattern is filled. Keep adding adhesive and trim the strips to length with scissors. Done! Now you need to fill the center, or the iris. I added a piece of glimmer paper. Finish the card to your desire.